it's Colleen from Pregnancy Massage Mackay. Lower back pain, sciatic pain, pelvic girdle pain is the number one reason I see women during their pregnancy to help them feel more comfortable. And we certainly get great results with massage, but I always send you home with some exercises to do. So I thought I'd do a quick video to show you the exercises that I send everyone home with. The number one I do is 360 breathing, and I've done videos about this before, but what we want to do is control the pressure in your abdomen, which actually takes a lot of pressure off that lower back. So just need to do it a couple of minutes a day, and it's simple breathing. So what you need to do is breathe in through your nose and fill up into your lungs. You've got to breathe down into baby, get oxygen into baby, into your ribs, and then you want to contract your pelvic floor as you're breathing out your mouth. So think about your pelvic floor and your core muscles giving baby a hug. So again, breathe in through your nose, filling up your ribs, bringing air down to baby, and then using your core muscles, so your pelvic floor and your core, to give baby a hug as you breathe out your mouth. That is the number one exercise you can do for your core and lower back at any stage. Then we move on to cat pose. So this is a yoga variation. So on your hands and knees, and cat is simply you want to stretch up through your back. So you want to lift up to the sky through those shoulder blades there. And you can feel, when you're here, have a wiggle around. Go to where it's sore and stiff, where it's catching. And you can come into those spots. And then a progression I like you to do from that is what we call bird dog. Because while it's important to stretch, we also need to strengthen that area. So bird dog, we start first, I'll do this leg, extending your leg and just lifting your back leg up and down. And then if you feel strong enough, or as you get stronger, you can then extend your opposite arm up. See how long you can hold it for. And coming back down, and that helps to strengthen all your back. One of my other favourite stretches is windscreen wipers. It's a very yoga name, isn't it? So sit with your knees out in front of you, and all you want to do is drop your knees to one side and then to the other. When you do that, you feel a lovely stretch through this hip area and over to the other side. And you can do that repeatedly. It'll help to ease up and open up those hip joints. And again. And then you can do a figure four. So if you take a foot across your leg, and then you just want to bring your knee up towards you. Now you can do this sitting in a chair if that's more comfortable for you. Just bring your ankle up over your knee and just come forward. And again, you'll feel that stretch opening up through that hip and glute area. And one last exercise, otherwise this will gain too long, is bridge. So bridge is a strengthening one. It does help to get movement through those hips. So coming back down, and all I want you to do is inhale, and on the exhale, I want you to lift your hips as high as you can, and inhale, bring them back down. Now, if you want to take that further, you can pop a towel between your knees to help stabilize that pelvis. So coming up and down and up on the exhale, and breathing in on the inhale. So hopefully that's 5 great moves you can do. 360 breathing, your cat stretch, bird dog with your arm and leg out the back, your figure four, and then bridge. If you do those for a couple of minutes every day, it will make a massive difference to your back strength and your back pain. Of course, going into labour, we need you to have good control of that pelvic floor, because it needs to be able to relax as well as contract, and all those exercises will help with that. If I can help you, let me know. Thanks.